exercise.
Yeah,
And then you're under the overhead thing.
Yeah,
You can
it's
see
open.
open. I thought it's quite pleasant.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Yeah,
But-
so easy to walk.
I also not sure how is it because I never tried the walk before.
You should give it a try. It's quite okay one.
But
If you don't consider what lah, just take no rush just go lor. Go to KL.
normal lah.
Just take a train, go and take a look.
No lah,
Walk there.
I stay Kampong, the MRT not done yet lah.
Kampong not yet.
Not yet lah. Yeah, next year lah.
Soon lah.
Don't know how long it will delay.
See, no money what?
No money.
Don't know lah. They drag the job. Supposed to be 24-hour non-stop, but I don't know why
Nobody
they.
working lah.
No enough workers maybe?
Because I got fetch those MRT stuff. They told me actually the project supposed to be non-stop. Then by this year supposed to be complete. But they drag
They
the.
cannot pay lah.
No, actually everything is already under budget, all already set up one. But now they end up the MRT project guy. They end up need to pay those penalty. Because they cannot complete on time.
Why are not enough workers or what?
I don't know. Seriously got accident then they hold the job for a few weeks.
Yeah.
Few Bangala guy died.
Yeah, somebody died.
Kapong there.
Not careful with this stuff.
Normally this kind of project won't have this kind of accident one.
Shouldn't.
Yeah lah.
So the supervisor kena.
Then they have to check the
Yeah, then
sign.
everything stop work, everything.
Short-turn distance.
Yeah.
In 200 meters,
Have to U-turn at Pelangi Square there. Also not very familiar here.
So this road, here I'm not sure. Must follow direction.
I left at 4:30 lah.
See got miracle or not?
See lah, maybe got miracle. But KL lah, traffic.
Because from Damansara Utama side to Ampang you have to go through KL one.
Every time.
Pass by KL only
Pass
can
by
enter
KL.
Ampang.
You have to go via the Tung Perak side. Jalan Tung Perak. The IJN side.
I also not very sure.
Not sure lah. Sometimes you turn
Follow
away,
Waze.
then from there towards Ampang, something like that lah. But I don't drive now.
But Waze says 6 o'clock. See whether Waze is correct.
No lah, Waze
Waze is
says
correct. Waze is very accurate.
He
jam
doesn't trust.
jam time will extend. If jam it will extend the.
Yeah, they'll keep on
They'll keep on
recalibrating lah.
Depends on see got miracle or not. By my experience, I know lah this time.
Yeah, this a time lah. After work lah.
Yeah. In city center start earlier. Inside the city center, the traffic start earlier.
Start earlier.
Like around this area start around 5:30 plus.
5:30. Traffic center is about 3:30, 4 o'clock.
4:30 already started lah, but not that serious yet lah.
Buy something, all the office workers coming out.
Sometimes they don't need to work like that one. 4:30 already finish work.
Quickly cabut, tell boss got traffic jam, quickly cabut.
Luckily no rain.
Yeah, it rain and big headache.
Lucky no rain.
If rain !aiyo.
Like yesterday rainy day.
Yesterday.
Yesterday was it raining?
So you are grabbing full time like now.
To earn as much as you can.
Yeah.
Not a lot also lah.
Okay lah.
Very easy calculation only mah. Like this job already cost me for 1 hour lor. Close to 1 hour lah. So it's like 1 hour how much I can get, very easy to calculate one mah. Not every hour I get this amount of job mah.
Yeah.
Average per hour like 2 job only. So it's like these 2 job either this amount or that amount.
Then minus 20% of
Yeah lor.
And depends on far or near again, you see.
Yeah, but
Far normally burn more time. Short also like a bit waste time.
Waste time, this one.